Good morning, reception. I hope you're all okay today. We are going to start today with our phonics. Hopefully you've already done your phonics warm-up for today, which has some PE exercises in there too. So for phonics today, it's something slightly different today. We are going to be really thinking about sentences today and how you make a sentence. So we are going to be thinking about capital letters, full stops, finger spaces, and also making sure we really think about how many words are in that sentence and make sure you've got all of the words. So we are going to be doing this today and tomorrow. So for today, I really want your grown-up or an older sibling to help you. For today, they are going to write the sentence for you first, okay? So you're going to use that. So what you will need, a piece of paper, but you're going to cut it. So you've got a strip of paper, because this activity will cut up sentences. So what you need to begin with first is a strip of paper. So the sentences that you're going to write need to be short sentences. So I would say 4 or 5 words, and that's it. I'm going to choose one with 4 in, and my sentence is going to be, the cat is black. But one thing to show you first, I wrote it here already. That is not how it needs to be written, okay? That is a bad example because I have not got any finger spaces there, have I? So because this is called a cut up sentence, in a minute I would need to cut the sentence up. But would I know how to cut in between each word there? I think I'd get all muddled and all confused, and I'd end up cutting the word cat and just having k, or not having the whole of the word black. Okay, so on your strip of paper, you can fill your strip of paper with that sentence, your grown-up can, okay? So I'm going to have big spaces between, and I'm going to write it all the way along here. I'm going to remember my capital letter to start with for the. So it's the cat. So can you see I've done a big space? Is black. And then I've got a full stop again at the end. There's my sentence, okay? And then now I'm going to chop it up. So I'm going to have 4 parts to my sentence because there are 4 words in it. So I'm going to cut it up into 4 pieces. I'm going to chop the end bit off because I don't need that bit. It's a blank piece. I'm going to chop it up. So I've now got my sentence chopped up here and it's all muddled up. So once you have chopped up the sentence that your grown-up or your brother or sister has written, you then need to put it back together. So at the moment I've got cat, black, is and the. It's all muddled up. So I'm going to put it back together as a sentence. Now, if you have remembered a capital letter and a full stop, you can easily tell which of the words that are going to go first and which are going to go last. So I can check. So I've got the word the. It's got a capital letter at the start, so I know that that's the beginning of my sentence for this one. So it's the. What was my sentence again? The cat. Is that the word cat? No. Cat. So you need to read it back and make sure you've got it the. Then I'm going to do a big space. The cat is. Can I fit it on here? No, but that's okay. So I'm going to go and start a new line. I'm going to go underneath. And then you're going to read it back. The cat is black. The cat is black. And I know that's the end of my sentence because it has got a full stop. And then what I want you to do, so once you remade your sentence, what you need to do then in your book, you could stick this in your book and then underneath you can have a go at writing it yourself. So in your book, you can then have a go at copying the sentence underneath. So the cat, with those big spaces, is, I am going to squeeze back on there because I can fit it on where I'm writing it. But it's okay to start a new line. So I've got the cat is black. And there's my sentence. And make sure you read it back, making sure you've read all of the words and that it makes sense. Okay. So I've shown you how to do it now. So it'll be your turn to now have a go. Remember, your grown-up today can have a go at writing the first sentence. You're then just cutting it out and making sure you remake it and then have a go at rewriting it, okay? Because then tomorrow on Friday, it'll be your job to do all of this and come up with your sentence yourself and write it from the beginning, okay? Have a really good go. I'll see you again soon. Bye.